Welcome to a number puzzle. Now this question, which is greater? Two numbers are given and the base and the exponent are interchanged. 3, 3, 3 and 2, 2, 2. In both the cases the same two numbers, but the base and the exponent get interchanged. Which is greater? You can answer in half second. In fact, you can answer in 0.001 second. And you can prove it in less than 5 seconds. Proving it takes less than 5 seconds. Answering, it doesn't even take half second. It takes 0.001 second instant answer. But to work out and prove it, it may take 2 or 3 seconds. So let us see which is greater. 3, 3, 3 base, 2, 2, 2 exponent, or 2, 2, 2 base and 3, 3, 3 exponent. Math puzzle. We have written it in the form of a fraction. X is equal to first number divided by second number. So if x is less than 1, then numerator is smaller, denominator is greater. And if x is greater than 1, then numerator is greater and denominator is smaller. So by finding the value of x, whether x is less than 1 or greater than 1, we can say which is greater and which is smaller. X less than 1, denominator is greater. X more than 1, numerator is greater. So let us simplify this fraction. So numerator, we will take numerator and denominator separately. Numerator is 3, 3, 3, which can be written as 3 into 1, 1, 1. So 3, 3, 3 power 2, 2, 2 is 3 into 1, 1, 1 power 2, 2, 2. That is 3 power 222 into 111 power 222. Now 3 power 222 can be written as 3 power 2 whole power 111. So 3 power 2 whole power 111 multiplied by 111 power 222. Now we take the denominator. 222 can be written as 2 into 111. So 2 into 111 whole power 333 is 2 power 333 into 111 power 233. 2 power 333, that is 2 power 3 whole power 111. And 111 power 333 remains as it is. So the numerator 3 square whole power 111 into 111 power 222 and denominator 2 cubed whole power 111 into 111 power 333. Now we will simplify this numerator by denominator. So numerator we got 3 square whole power 111, which can be written as 9 power 111. 3 square is 9 and the other part remains the same thing, 111 power 222. And denominator which we got 2 cubed whole power 111, this can be written as 8 power 111. 2 cubed, that is 8. So 8 power 111 and the remaining part 111 power 333 we write as it is. So numerator 9 power 111 into 111 power 222 and denominator 8 power 111 into 111 power 333. So numerator and denominator. So x will be numerator by denominator. So 9 power 111 by 8 power 111 will be 9 by 8 whole power 111. 9 power 111 by 8 power 111 will be 9 by 8 whole power 111. And this 111 power 222 and 111 power 333, when you divide, you will subtract the exponents. 111, that is a common base, you will find the difference of the exponents. 222 minus 333. So 9 by 8 whole power 111 into 111 power 222 minus 333. That's the value of x. So we got 9 by 8 power 111 and this 111 power 222 minus 333 will give you 111 power minus 111. 222 minus 333, that's minus 111. So 9 by 8 power 111 into 111 power minus 111. So 9 by 8 power 111 into 111 power minus 111 can be written as the reciprocal 1 by 111 to a positive exponent. This base we convert to reciprocal and the negative exponent becomes a positive exponent. So 111 power minus 111 is 1 by 111 whole power 111. Now the exponent is same 111. So we multiply the bases. So 9 into 1 9 and 8 into 111 is 888. So 9 by 888 whole power 111. Right? 9 into 1 9, 8 into 111 is 888, whole power, the common exponent 111. So the value of x is 9 by 888, whole power 111. So x is 9 by 888, whole power 111. So you can see that numerator is less than denominator. Numerator is less than denominator, so x is less than 1. So in the original number, numerator is smaller, that is 333 power 222 is less than 222 power 333. We were asked which is smaller and which is greater. So 333 power 222 is smaller and 222 power 333 is greater. That is how we proved it. Now we will see how we could have said even without calculating on the spot, we could have given an instant answer. Let us see how we could have done that. Now here we have taken some random numbers, say 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 4, 3, 5, 4, 6, and we interchange the base and the exponent and see the values. So 2 power 3 and 3 power 2, 2 power 5 and 5 power 2, 2 power 6 and 6 power 2, 3 power 4 and 4 power 3, 3 power 5 and 5 power 3, similarly 4 power 6 and 6 power 4. We compare the values. Now except this one, 2 power 4 and 4 power 2, they are equal. 2 power 4 16, 4 power 2 16. This is a unique case because in the integer set, 2 and 4 are the only such numbers. Only one pair of integers, 2 and 4, are related in this way. 2 power 4 is 4 power 2. Except that, x power y and y power x will not be seen. So we have examined certain random numbers and observe one interesting fact. Let us see that. See that except for 2 and 3, we leave aside 0 and 1. Because any power of 0 is 0 and any power of 1 is 1. So we are starting from 2, 3 and 2, 4, we told you they are equal. 2 power 4 is equal to 4 power 2. So except 2 and 3, you will see in all other cases, wherever the exponent is smaller, the value of the number is smaller. It depends on the exponent. The base may be bigger, the base may be larger, the base may be greater. But if the exponent is smaller, then the number is smaller. This smaller exponent we have written in red color, and see that smaller exponent gives a smaller value after 2 and 3. For 2 and 3 it is a base, 3 base and 2 base. So base determines the relative magnitude. If the base is bigger, then the value is bigger. That is only for 2 and 3. And 2 and 4, as we said, they are equal. But after that, whether you take 2 and 5 or 2 and 6 or 3 and 4 or 3 and 5 or 4 and 6 or any pair of numbers, smaller exponent will give you a smaller value. It is the exponent which is important. Smaller exponent gives smaller value, bigger exponent gives bigger value. Right? So, other than 2 and 3, and of course 2 and 4, see the exponent. If the exponent is smaller, the value will be smaller. If the exponent is greater, the value will be greater. So, coming back to our original question, we check the exponent. So, the exponent 222 is smaller, the exponent 333 is greater. So, the number with the smaller exponent will be less than the number with the larger exponent. Smaller exponent, smaller value, greater exponent, greater value. So, going by exponents, we can see that the number with the smaller exponent is smaller and the number with the larger exponent is larger. Small exponent, value small, bigger exponent, value bigger. So, even without calculation, just by looking at the exponents, only look at the exponents, just see that the base is not 2 and 3, other than 2 and 3 and 2 and 4. So, it's not 2 and 3 and 2 and 4, it may be any other base. So, when the exponent is smaller, the value should be smaller, and when the exponent is bigger, the value should be bigger. So, even without calculation, we could have said that which is smaller, the one with the smaller exponent, which is bigger, the one with the greater exponent. That was Math Challenge. Follow us for all school level math, junior and senior Olympiad math, university admission test, quantitative aptitude and numerical aptitude, and all competitive exams. And remember, all our services are entirely free of charge for students all over the world. So students from anywhere in the globe can contact us with their question and their problem. Like and share the video and subscribe to the channel and be with us. We will meet again with more useful videos, more interesting questions. Till then, thank you and goodbye.